there as a player. So 100% they're gonna train there as a professional. So I've been in touch with few of my academy friends in Europe, no, to train the team. Okay, so abangan nyo. We're gonna send a team in Europe, and then we have more plans for them as national team. So hindi lang Europe training camp, international training camp, but more international competitions for them.
Po, kahit hindi pa ako ng number 2, and so now it's a kind of different pressure for it. But I always remind myself, when I started playing paddle in the first place, and the love for the game. So I just have the best support system here. The reason it is very grounded is the team that I trust, the coaches, my routines, family and friends, and dito sa amin. And also staying connected to my goals of the court. So,
medyo mahirap for us nung simula kasi medyo pressure din kami kasi alam namin na sila yung lamang. Pero parang niremind lang namin isa't isa na kung ano yung ginawa natin yung training for the past 2 months na nag-start yung taon, first 3 months. So sabi ko, ituloy lang natin. Huwag natin isipin na malakas yung kalaban, na sila yung number 1, undefeated sila. So sabi ko, enjoy lang natin every point. Pag nakuha natin, then let's celebrate. Pag nakuha nila, then tuloy lang natin yung ginagawa natin. Kasi this is our 3rd finals din in Tawi, so ito yung first championship. So I think yung adjustment na ginawa namin this finals is parang mas relax kami. Hindi namin pinipressure masyado yung sarili namin. We're not getting frustrated if hindi namin makuha yung set or yung point. So sabi ko, win or lose, just play our best, then kung ano yung mangyayari yung result eh. And we got the champion, so very happy lang.
Ano nga ba yung highlights ng pag-host ng isang international tournament? I think we take pride in 3 things. So number 1, it was professionally and well organized. As per our partner, the Asia Pacific Paddle Tour, we were one of the most professional and organized APPT leg that they have partnered with. So we would like to thank the team for that. So yung team po namin, we really worked hard from the logistics to the player experience, up to giving them the community or showing them how we welcome players and whether they're foreign or local. We showed them that we can really organize a professional tournament really well. So that's the first one. The second highlight, or what made it special, is that we made sure that the cash prize for the men's and the women's are equal. So we know that Paddle Pilipinas founder, Senator Dia Cayetano, is a sports advocate and also a women's advocate. So she made sure that gender equality is actually evidenced in our cash prize. So just so you know, in other APPT leagues, mas malaki po talaga ang prize ng men's kesa sa women's. Pero in the APPT Manila that we just conducted last February, we made sure that it was equal. Equal po yung cash prize po nila. And lastly, we showed them Filipino culture. We also showed them the Filipino talent. So aside from us being able to reach the finals, si Tawi and si LA were actually part of the Pro Mix finals, and at the same time, Tawi and her partner Yam was also part of the finals of the female pro. So aside from that talent, showcasing the Filipino talent internationally, we were also able to feature some of our culture with our food. So tinandaan po natin ng leksyon yung ating mga foreign visitors. We also gave them an ethnic performance during the awarding, and we showed them the warmth of the Filipino community, because as they say, one of the greatest assets of the Filipinos are not only our tourist attractions and destinations, but our people. And so through our community, we showed them how it is when they are in the Philippines.
Sabi mo na-exceed na nila expectations ko, yes. Because, again, when we started this, when they went to Europe, wala naman ako sinabi, o pagbalik nyo, manalo ka ba? Wala naman ako sinabing gano'n. Eh kung alam ko lang bang mananalo na sila ng gano'n, di, wala naman siguro magbabago. But, yes, they have exceeded my expectations. They have become icons in the paddle world. And that is what I want, because I want the youth to see, to have idols na mga athletes. Yung talaga dream ko sa youth na syempre kanya-kanyang hilig yun, may mahilig sa damit, di ba? May mahilig sa, ano bang hilig ng ibang youth? Yung may mapuntahan sila. So, influencer ka for travel, influencer ka for, your wardrobe, lifestyle. Pero I truly believe na malaki pa yung market ng influencers sa sports. And gusto ko talaga yung talagang athletes na nakikita nila, di ba? Nakikita nila nag-training. Tapos nakikita nila naghihirap. Nakikita nila natatalo because that's life. Wala namang puro panalo, di ba? So in your case, ano yun, baka dalawang finals na, and ano sa the third is a
Third
gem?
time's a charm.
The third time is a charm. So nakita yan ng mga athletes dito. So that's the story. Hindi yung shortcut, laro agad, ay panalo agad, di ba? Sa kasama yun, tuloy-tuloy yan. And I always explain, I even told Dawei just before they left. Na don't forget yung progress nyo is never linear, never like this. It's always like this, di ba? Pag ganyan, di ba? What's important pag ganito mo is, yan ka. And that's what I wanted to show the players, especially the youth. My son, by the way, first time yung join ng tournament. Si Coach Brian yung partner niya. Tapos, pag inisip niyo, kasi wala yung anak ko sumali ng pro. Yung sinalihan ako, 14 years old lang yun. Pero you know what? Tama talaga si Coach Brian. Kasi kung sa pinuntahan ng tournament, ganun din ginagawa ng European coach. Coach siya dun sa Japan, yung bata pinakalaro niya, sama ka agad sila. So I'm so happy na yung anak ko nagkaroon ng opportunity na gano'n. Kasi while he's in the court, natuturuan pa rin nung paano galaw, tama pang galaw, galing. So we have to do more of that. I'm really proud na nataon pa yung anak ko pa yung napag-practice natin ng gano'n, na magaling naman na way of molding these young kids.